Failure doesn't destroy your confidence. The story you tell yourself about failure does. Your next level isn't hiding behind success, it's hiding behind the failure you're afraid to face again. Confidence isn't built by winning over and over, it's built by surviving what should have broken you. Most people, they quit because they've lost confidence. Winners regain confidence because they just simply refuse to quit. One bad chapter doesn't mean your story is over. It means the confident chapter is about to begin. Welcome back to the Own the Process podcast, where we stop chasing shortcuts, we stop waiting for motivation, we embrace the process that creates lasting success. I'm your host, Belny Danny. Today's conversation is for anyone who's failed before. Maybe your business collapsed. Maybe your marriage ended. Maybe you lost your job. Maybe someone told you you just weren't good enough. Or maybe you simply stopped believing in yourself. Today, we're going to be talking about rebuilding confidence after failure. Not fake confidence, not motivational confidence, real confidence, the kind that you earn. Failure hurts because we attach our identity to outcomes. We stop saying, I failed. Instead, we begin saying, I'm a failure. Those are two completely different statements. Successful people separate identity from results. Michael Jordan missed 9,000 shots. He didn't become a bad basketball player. Thomas Edison, thousands of failed experiments. He didn't become a bad inventor. Failure was simply information. Ask yourself, what story have you been telling yourself? Imagine learning how to ride a bike. You fall. You don't conclude, I'll never ride. You conclude, I need more practice. Adults forget this. We expect perfection immediately. Most people think confidence comes first. Actually, action comes first. Confidence follows evidence. If you tell yourself you'll wake up at 6, wake up at 6. If you say you'll work out. Every kept promise becomes evidence. Every broken promise weakens self trust. Confidence is just self trust. Now, I like doing things where we can win small. Maybe you just need to read 5 pages, walk 10 minutes, drink more water, win tiny battles. Small wins create momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Stop, and I can't stress this enough, stop comparing your beginning to someone else's success. Social media makes everyone else's life look perfect. Comparison destroys confidence. Remember, you're comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. Theodore Roosevelt said it best. Comparison is the thief of joy. Focus on your lane. Measure yourself against yesterday, not someone else's today. It reminds me of the Chinese bamboo tree. It spends years, and I mean years, growing underground before shooting upwards. Growth often happens where no one else can see it. Confidence is built through competency. The more skilled you become, the more confident you will become. The more confident if you want to get confident in public speaking, then speak. If you want to get more confident in business, then build. If you want to be confident in fitness, then train. Confidence isn't magic. It's repetition. The person who practiced 1,000 times naturally believes they can do anything again. Kobe Bryant is a good example of this, right? He was confident because he didn't just wish it, he practiced before sunrise every day. His confidence came from preparation. The right perspective on failure is what we need. Failure isn't punishment, failure is education. Every setback teaches something. Ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What will I change? Instead of asking, why me? Ask yourself this: what is this teaching me? That question changes everything. Think of this: Colonel Sanders was rejected over 1,000 times. Most people in his same situation would have quit. Instead, he kept refining, and eventually Kentucky Fried Chicken became global. Failure delays success, it doesn't deny it. Now, I like to always talk about where your comeback begins, and it begins now, today. If you failed, good. You're in good company of every great achiever. Don't wait until confidence magically returns. Move before you feel it. Action creates belief, belief creates confidence, confidence creates consistency, consistency creates success. Remember, confidence isn't something you find, it's something you build brick by brick, decision by decision, day by day. Now, this week, I have a challenge for you. Write down one, not two, one failure you've been carrying, right? Next to it, write 3 lessons it taught you. Then identify one action you've been avoiding because of that failure. Take action within 24 hours of identifying it. Your confidence will begin returning the moment you move. Now, if today's episode challenged your thinking, share it with someone who's struggling to believe in themselves. Leave a review, follow the podcast, and remember, success isn't owned by the most talented. It's owned by the people that are willing to own the process. And until next time, keep showing up, keep doing the work, and most importantly, keep owning the process. Have a great day.